Ready to ditch the appointment book chaos and step into streamlined scheduling? First, head over to Squarespace.com and start a free trial. You don't need a credit card to begin designing. Browse their stunning templates, paying close attention to those designed for service-based businesses like salons, studios, or consulting firms. Select one that resonates with your brand's aesthetic. You can always customize it later. Once you've chosen your template, you'll land in the Squarespace Dashboard and navigate to the Pages section. This is where you'll build out the core pages of your booking site: home, services, about, and contact. Now for the magic. Add a new page and select the appointments or scheduling page type. This will integrate Squarespace's scheduling tool directly into your website. Dive into the Squarespace scheduling settings here. You'll define your appointment types like haircut, consultation, or yoga class, along with their durations, buffer times, and pricing. Set your availability. Specify the days and times you're available for appointments. You can even connect your Google Calendar to avoid double booking. Customize the look and feel of your booking page to match your brand. Adjust colors, fonts, and images to create a cohesive and professional experience. Connect your preferred payment processor, such as Stripe or PayPal, to securely collect payments online. Set up automated confirmation and reminder emails to keep clients informed and reduce no-shows. Promote your booking website through Squarespace's integrated marketing tools like email campaigns and social media integrations. Ensure your website is mobile-friendly, as many clients will book appointments from their phone. Squarespace templates are inherently responsive, so this is usually taken care of. Use Squarespace Analytics to track your website traffic, booking trends, and overall business performance. And that's it. With a few clicks and customizations, you've created a professional booking website that streamlines your scheduling and empowers your business.